Hey everyone, back again with another mystery box. This time it's from Yugster.com, yours until gone. And this is the Plugster junk box. So why don't we dive in and see what's inside. Believe this was $19.99 from Yugster.com. Before we get started, this is purchased with my own money. They in no way sponsor me. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. Just wanted to get one of these. I like these junk boxes and see what we end up with. Also, I'm not affiliated with Coca-Cola or Surge, but I recommend drink these. They're delicious. So let's open this one up and see what's inside. I'll put a link to the company in the comments below, so in case you are so inclined to check it out. First things first, paper. So right on top is a big box. This is a LED wireless motion sensor spotlight. Perfect for offices, warehouses, storage units, driveways, parking lots, decks, patios, trees, fences, garages, stairwells, hallways, yards, entrances and exits, and porches, according to the box. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what was in there. Easy to install, waterproof, weather, UV resistant, light sensor, daytime activation prevention, 30-second automatic shut off. Looks like this attaches like to the house or whatever, and okay, well, fine. Boy, pretty sparse after that. Looks like we got a, this is interesting. This is a Blue Parrot. Looks like a Blue Parrot Bluetooth headset. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'll open it up in a second after I get through everything else. Actually, I actually need one of these. It's I've lost all of mine. It's a cigarette lighter adapter to USB, but it's got two USB ports in it. And the obligatory set of earbuds. And that's it. Let me open this up. This is I guess this hooks onto the ear, and then it's got the little mouthpiece. I don't know. But it comes with a car charger, a USB cable, replacement ear things to go on there. So I don't know if this is a good brand or not, or if anything about them, but Blue Parrot Bluetooth headset. Apparently from VXI Corp, VXI Express, I don't know. So, yeah, kind of a disappointment. Basically, 4 items for $20. I guess they can't all be winners, though. Anyway, I guess that's it for this one. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.